Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in monday.com. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your main monday.com dashboard where you can access all your workspaces and boards. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving to the next step. Now take a look at the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Workspace. Right beside the workspace name, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on this plus icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Board. This is the starting point for creating any new board within your workspace, and it gives you access to monday.com's board creation tools. Once you click on Board, a new window will open up. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see a text field where you can type a prompt that describes the type of board you want to create. For example, you could type something like Construction Project Management. What monday.com does next is really helpful. It automatically generates groups, columns, statuses, sample tasks, timelines, and even AI columns based on the prompt you entered. This saves you a ton of time because instead of building everything from scratch, monday.com gives you a ready-made structure that you can customize later. It's a smart way to get started quickly, especially if you're not sure exactly how to organize your board yet. After the board structure is generated, you'll need to choose your privacy type. You'll see options such as main, private, and shareable. Each privacy setting controls who can access and view your board, so pick the one that fits your needs. Main boards are typically visible to everyone in your workspace. Private boards are restricted to specific people, and shareable boards can be shared with external collaborators. Take a moment to select the privacy type that works best for your project. Once you've selected your privacy type, you're almost done. The final step is to click the Create Board button. After you click it, monday.com will process your settings and generate the board based on the prompt and preferences you provided. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once the board is created, you'll be taken directly to it, and you can start customizing the columns, adding tasks, assigning team members, and adjusting timelines to fit your specific workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a new board in monday.com, and it's ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.